Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT4 to an iPhone. First, let's get your watch ready. Power on your Huawei GT4 by pressing and holding the crown button for a few seconds until you see the Huawei logo. Once it's on, select your preferred language directly on the watch screen. Simultaneously, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is active. You can quickly enable it by swiping down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen and tapping the Bluetooth icon. Next, you'll need the Huawei Health app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Huawei Health. Download and install the official application. Once installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to review and agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. After that, log in using your existing Huawei ID. If you don't have one, the app will guide you through creating a new account, which is a straightforward process taking just a couple of minutes. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your iPhone and go to the Devices tab at the bottom. Tap Add Device and either select your Huawei GT4 from the list that appears or use your iPhone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your watch face. A pairing request will then appear on both your watch and iPhone. Confirm it on both. Finally, grant all necessary permissions for notifications and health data to ensure seamless synchronization and full feature access. To ensure a smooth experience, keep the Huawei Health app running in the background on your iPhone for consistent data synchronization. It's also crucial to regularly update both your Huawei GT4 firmware and the Huawei Health app to their latest versions for improved performance and new features. If you encounter any pairing difficulties, try forgetting the device in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Then restart both your watch and phone before attempting to pair again. Remember, your iPhone should be running iOS 13.0 or a later version for best compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.